Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new cup project. Woo! I have a 30 ounce skinny straight here. It's already been made sticky with 2 layers of Aleene's Tack-It over and over, mixed half and half approximately with water. Brushed it on, let it dry, brushed a second coat on, let it dry. So it's good and tacky now. I have managed to snag, these are the 8 new Aurora Chrome Flakes from Woody's Goodies. We have Bye Felicia, Doe, Gigity, how you doing? I'll have what she's having. It's all in the hips. The truth is out there. And Feed Me Seymour. Those are the 8 colors of Aurora. Not that that tells you much of anything, except she's great with names. But I have them here. I have them all lined up. So very briefly, I'm going to run down these and tell you the shift. So the truth is out there goes from pink to purple to blue. I'll have what she's having goes from orange to green to pink. Doe. I don't sound like Homer Simpson, I'm sorry. I don't do very good impersonations. Shifts from pink to orange to yellow. Feed Me Seymour shifts from orange to green to red. This is not dirt under my fingernails, that's alcohol ink. Just in case anybody's wondering. It's all in the hips, shifts from pink to green to purple. Bye Felicia shifts from pink to gold to green. Gigity shifts from teal to purple to green, which is weird because it looks orange to me. And yet the 3 colors are teal, purple, and green. And How You Doing is purple to pink to orange. So what I'm going to do, we have 8 flakes. I have taken my 30-inch skinny straight and I've marked it loosely with 8 separations. So that's where I'm going to put the 8. We're going to do bands. I have done another Aurora Flake tumbler that turned out really gorgeous. I will link to that below if you haven't seen that. That was much more random on a much different shaped and sized cup. So this will be a little different. But I'm just going to take my brush and put these on and burnish them all the way around. And we'll see what we end up with. And I'm going to do I'll do this first stripe in regular time, and then we'll speed things up because this is crazy. You don't want to watch this for however long. Wonder if a bigger brush would be better or worse. These are really super big flakes. Need to be crunched down a little in size. There's like opal shards. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Sure enough, I see teal now. Still looks orange in the bottle, doesn't it? How bizarre. How bizarre. Wow. Just wow. That is amazing. These two, the last two I used, Gigity and How You Doing, are both super flaky. I mean, really big flakes, and I couldn't seem to get them to crush down into smaller bits to make them easier to brush on. So the coverage isn't quite as good, but wow. Just all of these. That's amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. All right, you know what? I'm gonna put some resin on this. Wow. And we'll come back and figure out a decal, and well, I'll see you for the next step. And we're back. All right, look how gorgeous this turned out. This has a layer of resin on it now. I did not put anything in the resin. This is just resin covered as made. Nothing extra yet. There will be. I'll put Marabou Rainbow alcohol ink in the final layer of resin, but first, decal time. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. I just fudged one up completely. I'm not going to show you that part. You'll just have to take my word for it because I said a lot of loud bad words. So we'll just leave that on the cutting room floor and I'll try again. So what I've picked is Fueled by Glitter and Anxiety, and the funny part is with this on it and the mica powders on it and even the Rainbow Marabou alcohol ink in the final layer of resin on top, there will not be any glitter on this cup at all. And yet look at the saying I've chosen. Now, can I do this without screwing it up this time? That will be the question. Okay. Oh, I missed a weed there. I get that once we're on the cup. Yay! Didn't screw that one up, yay! I have had such a crappy ass day so far, I tell you. It only makes sense that I screw something up on camera as well. Let's see if I can, just come on. There we go, yay! Okay. Whew. Now I am going to go over this with some UV resin just to tack it down and stick it under a UV light because it is very cloudy, cold, and wet out today, so no sunshine. And then I'll put a final layer of resin on it. I will include my Marabou Rainbow alcohol ink, which will have more sparkle, but this will be a cup without any glitter on it. Glitter on it, technically. So that'll be our joke. Stay tuned for the big reveal, folks. Here it comes.